Today ZENE Bricks unbox the new F1 racing car from LEGO in March. Number 42,228, 1,675 pieces. And consider the how design the motorization. Let's open the box. We can see that it is all packed in paper bags, which contains printed tire skins with white printed words on it, which looks very nice. Then, a large manual and a bag of separate hubcaps. Our first package has been assembled. It's mainly composed of this: the suspension part at the back of the car. The upper and lower swing arms are all big and thick parts. If you want to change the power later, the strength will be good. The strength effect won't be too bad. And a differential. Now our second largest sub-package has been basically assembled. The next step is the part that combines with the rear drive axle. This second package mainly consists of the engine and the middle transmission box. There is a shift ring here. Then a lever is moved to the front. There is a green 24 tooth inside. And this is 12 teeth. They mesh together, which is powered by the engine. It's equivalent to a gear ratio of 12 to 24. It's a reduction ratio. Then it outputs here. Output to our differential. If the lever is pulled to the back, the engine output shaft is connected to this 16-tooth gear. Then through the red 16-tooth gear above, achieving a 1-to-1 transmission ratio. Then it is connected to our differential. It can achieve a 2-speed transmission function. The third and fourth packs have been assembled now. The main part is the steering module in the front and integrated with the rear of the car. The front wheels are also quite solid, which is structurally solid. The second layer of the board pulls the front and rear together. The car has good rigidity. If we want to change the power, it can only be placed here. This is the gear driven by the steering rack. This one is the input shaft. There is enough space. Now the whole car has been assembled. The rear large packages are basically assembling the appearance of the car. The wheels are printed wheels, which looks good. I like it. The overall assembly is quite large. The rear shock absorber effect and the front shock absorber effect is quite good. And its power assembly, I have already installed it during the assembly. Here is the ZENE Bricks brushless motor we use. The front steering motor is placed behind here. Here is the linkage of the engine. It's quite sturdy when you hold it like this. It should work well. I'll go out and record a video on the ground in a few days. Please follow us to explore ZENE Bricks high-performance RC modification.